the SBS-3500 hydrometer. Pretty easy to use. To start, just hold the power button down for 1 second. Get your startup screen. And then it goes to your main screen, which looks like this. If you want to change the temperature, hit menu, go down to setup, hit OK. And down at the bottom, you go to units, hit OK. Your first one is your unit of measure for density. Hit OK from there, and then your second one is your temperature unit. Go to Celsius, hit OK. And hit back to go to your main screen. Now you can take your specific gravity reading, put the unit in the electrolyte, push the plunger down, pull back up on the plunger. And your specific gravity temperature corrected is shown up here. Your temperature in Celsius is listed down here. And just push the plunger back down to empty the straw.
Thank you for watching. Please visit us at sbsbattery.com or call 800-554-2243.